If your company is storing customer information or financial data, then your job is a lot like working at a dam. Just one leak can turn into something that puts you out of business. I'm your new Chief Security Officer, and I've got good news. Microsoft 365 gives you the ability to layer and harden your security by encrypting email, restricting suspicious attachments, and protecting your company against data leaks. You've heard about encryption for years, usually as a buzzword in a movie that's trying to sound smart. But now, encryption can be a standard part of how you protect your most important data. With Microsoft 365, you can encrypt every email and attachment you send so that only the intended person can unencrypt it. There's also the problem of how to protect the sensitive data inside documents and attachments. Microsoft 365 lets you control who can open, forward, or print. And these protections stay in place after the content leaves your network. It even double checks with you when it looks like you're about to send an attachment with sensitive data, like credit cards or social security numbers. This level of protection means your data remains secured as it goes to the places you want to be seen by the people you choose. In any busy organization, there are going to be occasional mistakes that allow sensitive data to move places it shouldn't. But with Microsoft 365, you can go to extraordinary lengths to help protect it. To learn more, check out some notes I've prepared for you here.